In this video, I will show you how to use motion tracking in Filmora 10. Motion tracking is when you track the movement of something in your video. It could be a person, a hand, or even scenery. Once the movement has been tracked, you can add text or images or other objects that follow that same movement. We have seen motion tracking being used as animations, labels to follow a person or an object like in gaming, or to hide sensitive content. I am going to teach you how you can use motion tracking in Filmora 10 to make someone's name follow them. You can use this for character introduction, to track an athlete during a game, or use it to label for a character in gameplay. Now let's see how it's done. First, import the footage you want to apply motion tracking to. Add this into your timeline. Check that the subject you want to track is in the frame for the entire clip. If they are not, trim or cut to make sure that they are in frame. Next, it's time to apply motion tracking. Make sure that your playhead is at the beginning of the clip before you start tracking. The tracking will start wherever your playhead is, so anything before it won't be tracked. You can open the motion tracking tool from the icon on the timeline toolbar, or by double clicking on your clip and finding motion tracking in the editing menu. The tracking box will appear in the video preview. Move and resize it to select the object you want to track. Once that's done, click on Start Tracking, and Filmora will analyze the footage. Click on OK. Now it's time to add the object you are going to have follow the track. Let's head over to the title menu. I don't want any preset animations on my text, so I will choose the default title. Drag it to the track above the footage. Double click on it and type in the subject's name. Now choose where you want this label to sit in relation to the subject. Drag the edge of the title to the timeline, so duration is the same as the footage. After that, double click on the footage I have applied motion tracking. There's a drop down menu here that will list all the text, images and other objects available. I have only set up one piece of text, so that's all I will see, and I will choose that, which will set it to move with the clip we just tracked. Click OK. Let's play it now in full screen. Amazing, and it was so easy to do. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, click links in the description below, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you next time. Thank you.